Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix could not create account. Your account cannot be created at this time. For example, if you try to create Apple ID or a new account on your iPhone and after that you see this kind of error. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close this page, and after closing this page, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to proper Wi-Fi or internet connection, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to simply go to general, and after that what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhones. Here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings, and after resetting all of your network settings, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have not recently created an account on your iPhone, because multiple account creation is not available on your iPhone, which means you can simply create only one account on an iPhone, but you can simply use one account on different iPhone. So if you want to create account, then you have to simply wait for some time so that you can simply create a new account on your iPhone, because iPhone doesn't allow multiple account creation on same iPhone. So if you want to create account, then you can simply use another iPhone, and after that you can simply log in your that account in your iPhone after creating that account on another iPhone. So in this way you can simply create a new account. But if you try to create account and you see that kind of error, then you cannot solve that error on your iPhone. So you have to simply create account on another iPhone, and after that you will be able to log in that account on your iPhone. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.